Welcome to KairaliProperties.com, a globally operated real estate company providing superior service to our customers. Let's see how to search for properties within KairaliProperties.com. KairaliProperties.com has thousands of properties listed, and search functionality is a quick way to find the property that suits your needs. There are two kinds of search features. One is the basic search and the other is the advanced search. Let's look at the basic search first. Enter a pin code or place or city into the box. KairaliProperties.com has a feature that shows you the places based on the letters you enter. For example, let's say you want to search for properties in Changnasheri. I'm typing CHA. See that KairaliProperties.com now shows you the cities and places that have CHA as the first three letters in the name. The web page shows both Chalakudi and Changnasheri, since both start with CHA. As I type further, the choices reduce. In this example, when I type N, only Changnasheri is shown. Click on Search. All the properties in Changnasheri that are listed in KairaliProperties.com are displayed on the screen. Now look at the advanced search functionality. This feature allows you to search for properties listed in KairaliProperties.com based on a large number of criteria. In the basic search, the search is based on pin code, place name or city, whereas in advanced search, you can search based on all the data that was entered in the listing of the property. For example, you can search to find all flats in Kochi by typing Kochi for the space name and choosing flat from the property type. Click on Search. All flats in Kochi that are listed in KairaliProperties.com are displayed. Further details of the property can be obtained by clicking on the image of the property. This brings up the property details in the tablet view. This contains additional details as well as an ability to view all the properties for sale from the seller of the selected property. The complete details of the property can be found by clicking on arrow button on the bottom of the tablet view. Let's click on the button to bring up the complete details of the property. As we come down the page, we can see all the details associated with this property, including the images. Once the details are reviewed, you can contact the seller by clicking on the Contact Seller button. This will show the contact details of the seller, and you are welcome to contact the seller regarding the sale of the property. You can also email the link to this property to an email address. To do this, click on Email a Friend button on the screen. KairaliProperties.com sends an email to the email ID you specified with a link to the property. By clicking on the link in the email, the recipient can immediately come to the details page of the specific property from which the link was sent. Clicking on View More brings you back to the property listing page.